Good morning, students. Here we will discuss about the why students they lose marks in physics. Because there is one need. You have to be very specific. Sometimes you have to write some textual language is required. You write the answer in your own language and some keywords are there. Generally for statements and rules and laws you have to be very specific. For definitions and for rules and laws you have to be very specific. Use textual language and write the keywords which are present in that definition or in the law. For law, here I have written the universal gravitation constant. Here or universal gravitation constant and the law is universal gravitation law. Only by using the formula you can write the complete statement for this. F is directly proportional to product of their masses m1 and m2. These are the masses of two objects and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Just remember, F is the force. These are the two objects m1 and m2. They are attracting each other with a certain force. That force is F and distance between two objects is d. Then what you have to do? First equation, F is directly proportional to product of their masses. This is our statement 1. Here, every object in the universe attract every other object with a certain force. That force is F. And that force is here directly proportional to product of their masses. I have written F is directly proportional to the product of masses. The object A and B are having mass m1 and m2. So F is directly proportional to product of the masses and distance between them is d and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. As the distance between them is d, its square is d square. So you will get the formula F is directly proportional to m1 m2 upon d square. If we remove this proportionality sign, there is a constant and that constant is, we represent it by capital G and that capital G is universal gravitation constant. Why it is called as universal gravitation constant? Because it remains same, the value will remain same throughout the universe. Here G is universal gravitation constant. What is the unit of this universal gravitation constant? What is the value? In SI system, the value is 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 11. C unit Newton meter square per kg square in SI, and in case of CGS system, the unit will be dyne centimeter square per gram square. See, the values are 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square, and in CGS 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 8 dyne centimeter square per gram square. So by using simple this formula, you just remember this formula, you can write the complete statement for the law. So be specific while writing the laws, rules and definition. Thank you so much.